Hello, this is Sergey from Propersoft, and today I will show you how to convert a QIF file to OFX format and import into QuickBooks Online. We will use QIF2OFX utility, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start QIF2OFX and select a QIF file. Review transactions before converting. Make sure that dates are correct, amounts are correct, deposits and withdrawals are in correct columns. Before converting to OFX file, make sure to set account ID. It has to be digits only number. And if you have multiple accounts, make sure to use different account ID for different accounts. Make sure to set the account type and currency and any other settings your accounting software may need. For example, for Sage software, you need to set bank ID, branch ID, account ID, exactly matching what you have inside Sage. Select an OFX target. If your accounting software is listed, you can select it, and it's going to create little the OFX file will be a little bit more compatible with your accounting software than if you select a regular OFX file. If your software is not listed, you can select regular OFX file. And we will be importing into QuickBooks Online, so we don't need to open file by the local accounting software. And click the Convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. Now let's switch to QuickBooks Online and click on Banking. Then select the account you want to import your data into and click File Upload. Click Browse and select Created OFX file and click Next. Select Checking account. QuickBooks pre-selected it for us, and then now data is imported and we just have to review transactions, assign payee, and select category or expense and income account. Thank you for watching.